Hey folks, Turbine Guy back at you. Now today we're going to have a little fun and unpack an Enphase combiner box, which I'm going to install on my newest solar system. Open her up good. And what do we run into first? But the Enphase quick installation guide, which pretty much tells you everything you need to know about installing this Enphase product. And here we have the combiner box. So I'm going to give this guy a yank out of here. Here it is. This is fresh, ready to be mounted outdoors or indoors on a wall. And the best part is, this is what you run your solar system through. We got her upside down. Well, a new Enphase combiner box, they've upgraded it a little, actually now has a space for the new Enphase battery bank system. They've got the standard space right here that runs the Envoy in this box, and these other three spaces are to put in double breakers, 20 amp, Eaton BR breakers, if this doesn't come with it, in order to run each string. So you can run 3 separate strings, say up to 14 Enphase IQ7 microinverters, but follow instructions if you're going to do so. Now let's take a look under here quickly. They have 4 screws holding this in. Pull off the cover. And what do we have? But the main bus bar where you plug your breakers in, as well as the new modern Enphase Envoy. Used to be a square box that went in there, and now they just have the circuit board in their combiner box. Hey, when it's time to start your DIY project and you need some help, check out my website at gogreenenergyonline.com or give me a call at 952-334-6400.